What if I told you, beneath one of America's most beautiful national parks lies a force powerful enough to reshape the planet? This is the story of Yellowstone's supervolcano. From the surface, Yellowstone looks peaceful. But nearly 5 miles beneath your feet lies a massive reservoir by scientists every single day. Unlike an ordinary volcano, a supervolcano doesn't form a towering mountain. Instead, its enormous magma reservoir spreads beneath the earth. How do scientists know what's happening in Yellowstone? Yellowstone is monitored around the clock. Scientists track tiny earthquakes and ground movement. These signals help provide valuable information. Could they be warning signs? Small earthquake swarms, slow ground uplift, and changes in volcanic gases can all provide important clues. Most of the time, these are part of Yellowstone activity. Yellowstone's story didn't begin yesterday, is the result of an extruding within that ancient history are clues that still study today. Scientists found evidence. 3 super eruptions occurred. They shaped the landscape. No eruption is expected soon. Systems have timelines. Why do we watch it so closely? Yellowstone isn't watched because scientists expect a major eruption tomorrow. It's watched because understanding this remarkable volcanic fear is our greatest tool. Now, let's explore a scientific question, not a prediction. If Yellowstone were ever to produce another super eruption, that ash and the impact wouldn't in the sky. Unlike rivers of lava, volcanic ash can travel hundreds or even thousands of miles with high-altitude winds. In this hypothetical scenario, the first 24 hours would be focused on protecting lives. Emergency agencies could issue advisories, aviation routes might be adjusted. Scientists believe that fine ash could reach high into the atmosphere. If sunlight were reduced, how could that affect crops and food production? In a large hypothetical eruption, reduced sunlight could make farming more challenging. Begins with understanding. In today's connected world, the effects. Our world depends on a network. In a large event, transportation disruptions could affect supply chains. What could these atmospheric changes mean for the climate itself? History shows that some very large volcanic eruptions have temporarily influenced Earth's climate by releasing tiny particles high into the atmosphere. Scientists continue studying these. The good news is that a super eruption would. Today, there is no eruption at Yellowstone is imminent. Yellowstone isn't the others. Yellowstone may be the world's most famous supervolcano, but it's not the only one. Across our planet, to understand incredible forces beneath our feet. Yellowstone is one of the most closely monitored volcanic systems on Earth, and experts do not consider an eruption imminent. Understanding the facts helps replace fear with knowledge. Nature is incredibly powerful, but so is human curiosity.
The story isn't over yet. In part 2, we'll uncover what could happen if Yellowstone's supervolcano ever awakens. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next chapter.